Labour brokers and their client companies are largely not complying with the new Labour Relations Act. That's according to a non-profit organisation called the Casual Workers Advice Office. In terms of the new act, people employed through labour brokers are supposed to be made permanent after 3 months of working for a company.
The Casual Workers Advice Office in Johannesburg, a non-profit organisation dedicated to helping casual workers who are exploited by their employers. It says as many as 8,000 vulnerable workers have walked through its doors with various complaints since the new Labour Relations Act came into effect last year.
There are few employers who have just complied, who registered the workers permanently, who just complied with the amended section. And the bosses have taken, they have resisted the implementation of these rights in different forms, either through prolonging cases at the CCMA or bargaining council, raising preliminary issues before arbitration proceedings, as an attempt to buy time, sort of. And whilst they do that, we have also seen now widespread victimization of workers, in particular those who are the main applicants in the case. That is, those who have opened the case on behalf of other workers.
But the South African Chamber of Commerce and Industry denies any knowledge of companies which are violating the new Labour Relations Act.
We would not support actions that by their very nature are intended to violate the law and the Constitution of South Africa. We're a very responsible organization. We would not also encourage our own members to break the law or not to want to comply.
The organization has also accused COSATU of turning a blind eye to what it calls the continued exploitation of people employed by labour brokers. COSATU denies the allegation.
It's shocking to us to hear that there's an organization out there that believes that COSATU is not doing enough to fight labour brokers. We are the only organization that is busy fighting labour brokers. We've just come out of a 12th National Congress where we have reiterated our position in terms of our resolution that we just don't want labour brokers to be regulated. We want them to be totally banned. We came out of the February CEC to say we are going to launch a campaign as we move forward to make sure that we fight labour broking.
The organization says it's forever assisting victims of labour brokers with taking their cases to the CCMA and the Labour Court. Mbongeni Mutwa, SABC News, Johannesburg.